Hey, what's up, everyone? Pierre speaking. I'm gonna cover something that I've never done before, just being lazy, I guess, or never really gave it a second thought. Ever since I've done the hydraulic conversion on my car and on Jeremy's car, I've never been able to, or never really bothered trying to put back the dust shield cover that usually would go there. For obvious reasons, it doesn't fit anymore. So I was trying to find a solution. So since I have a bunch of these covers laying around, I decided to give it a shot. It's going to work on any 01 to 04 3650s. 05 Plus do not have this issue for obvious reasons. It's hydraulic with a throwout bearing. T45 should have, I say should have the same cover, but I mean, you'll get the point. It's not rocket science. So pretty much busted out the rivets on either sides by prying it apart. Yeah, it looks a little rough, but there's nothing like a little bit of hammering to bring everything flat and nice. So I was just playing around with the angles and stuff like that. So basically what you have to do is make this section flat, and then you're gonna have a mark at 5/8 from this radius down here. There's a 5/8 gap. You're gonna make another bend, and once this is done, you can always put the cover back on the transmission. Bear with me, I'm trying to do that with one hand. Here we go. So once this was sitting on the master cylinder, I pretty much just warped around the slave cylinder, with the remaining material from the cover, and I had to obviously cut some excess here, but other than that, this is the original position of the rivets, so it just fits goddamn well. So yeah, I think it's a win. I'm going to be using one of those stainless steel tie wraps to go around that and secure the cover in place. Now, mind you, I'm using the 2 forward holes on the bracket, which is not the case for everyone, depending what kind of pressure plate and clutch you are using. But in this case, I'm using the 2 forward holes, so that leaves me some space for the tie wrap. But I mean, you get the point, you get the idea. Just be creative. But I mean, it's gonna work well. So I'm kind of glad that I gave it a shot. So well, there it is. So hopefully it's gonna help some people out there that want to keep the cover in place. So as usual, thanks for watching.